Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Those of you new here, my name is Preet. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be a very quick video of creating this KIWI eye makeup. I recently created this eye makeup on my Instagram and everybody loved this eye look. So I wanted to share this look with you guys on YouTube as well, and it is one of the quickest video. So I think within 5 minutes you would be able to do this. Just follow the steps and follow the instructions which I'm giving you on the video. So yeah, let's just get started and let's see how I created this eye look. And just in case you want to see the complete the entire video of this look, please head to my Instagram, and also the link to my Instagram is mentioned on the description box, and also the link to this video is mentioned on the description box, so make sure to check it out. So yeah, let's just get started. So I would be using a James Charles palette, which is one of my favorite palette for creating this look. Firstly, I'm going to be using a NYX professional eyebrow pencil. I always love doing my eyebrows before the eye makeup. So once my eyebrows are done, the first color from the James Charles palette I'm going to be taking is a light green color, and I would be applying it on my crease, and also it would be my transition shade. And second color which I will be taking is a little deep color from the previous one, and then again applying it on my crease area. Just sure to remember that the focus of your look is the crease, so just blend out the color very nicely on your crease and just keep blending it out so that it creates a nice transition from darker to lighter. Once that is done, I would be applying a concealer on exactly the spot where we apply a eyeliner using this very light yellow color, which is very close to the KIWI base, and I would be applying it on the exactly spot where I just applied the concealer. And just make sure to apply this color very nicely, because this is a turnaround, guys. It will really give you that KIWI effect. Now once that is done, make sure to curl your eyelashes. I've already created the wing eyeliner, and then apply your favorite mascara. I am using Total Temptation mascara from Maybelline. And I'm using a NYX Epic liner in color black, and I'm just making a little dot on my eyelids just to give that KIWI effect on both of my eyes. Make sure the dot should not be very big. This should be little small, tiny little dots, and then create a little dots on your eyelid. And once that is done, I would be using a deep green shade, and I will be applying it on my lower lash line, and just keep blending it out so that it gives you a really nice greeny shade. Light on both of your lash lines. If you want, you can use a silver kajal pencil on your waterline, but I actually didn't use anything. So yeah, that's completely up to you. Once that is done, I'm again using the ink liner, the NYX ink liner, and then making a little dot on my lash line, just like the 2/3 part of my lash line. I'm using false lashes from Colourpop in Hunni, and once that is done, there you go, guys. This is my final look, and it took me, I think, for creating this look, I think not more than 5 minutes. Make sure to try it out. Just in case you guys try this look out, make sure to tag me on your Instagram so that I can repost your pictures. It will make me so happy to see your recreations. So that was all about today's quick video, and I would be uploading such videos more often, so make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you don't miss my videos. I'm just gonna sign off from this video right now. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, take care, stay safe, bye bye.